Hello and welcome to American High School. This video will show you how to access and navigate your USA Test Prep assessment. At American High School, we are constantly looking for ways to improve our ability to support your student. As part of this, we are using formative testing through USA Test Prep. Our teachers will be able to use the results of these tests to provide your student with unique support to meet their needs. First, you must log into the American High School website with the username and password provided. After logging in, locate the course you wish to start and click on the Launch Course icon. You will start by locating the Lessons section of your course and select Pretest or Entry Test. The pretest is always located before the start of Unit 1. Please make sure to take your time and read the following information about USA Test Prep. This test must be completed before you can access any other assessments in the course. After completing this test, the student can then start working on the course. Once the student has completed the course, you will then take the USA Test Prep Post-Test or Exit Test. USA Test Prep is used to measure the student's gains in each course. The grade received in the test does not count towards the student's final grade, so don't worry if you don't do well. Each course has its own individual test. However, the steps are exactly the same no matter what course you're taking. Once you have read everything carefully, locate the assessment section of your course and click on Pretest or Entry Test. This page will give you the instructions on how to access USA Test Prep and take the pre or post test. The first step is to remember the American High School account ID provided, which is American 74. You then want to locate the benchmark code and teacher name for the test. Please notice that the teacher listed here might not be the same as the teacher assigned to you and your course. You will need this information in order to access your test. Once you have the account ID, benchmark code, and teacher name, you are then ready to access USA Test Prep. Select the Login as a Member icon and you will be redirected to the USA Test Prep website. You must log in to the website using your USA Test Prep username and password. The USA Test Prep username and password was emailed to you in a separate email directly from USA Test Prep. It will not be the same as your American High School username and password. To log in, type in the account ID provided to you in the course, which is American 74. Then type in your USA Test Prep username and password. Once all three fields are completed, select Login as Member. This is your home page for USA Test Prep. After logging in, select the level you are in. If the course you are taking is a middle school course, select Florida Middle School. If the course you are taking is a high school course, select Florida High School. Since I'm using biology as my example, I will select Florida High School. This step is very important. It will ensure you are taking the correct test for your course. Next, select the Take a Benchmark icon. Here you will need the benchmark code given to you in your pretest instructions. Copy and paste the benchmark code from your course and paste the code into this box. Then select Submit. On the following screen, you will then select the teacher's name given to you in the pretest instructions. Remember, this teacher might be different than your course teacher. You will then select your class. Finally, select Load Test. The test will automatically load, and at this point you can begin your test. After answering all the questions, select Grade My Test Now. Shortly after, you will receive the results to your test. Keep in mind that these results will not count towards your final course grade. In order to complete this assessment, you must submit your test results to your teacher. To do so, click on the Print Summary icon and a print preview window will appear. You will need to highlight and copy this information. Select the information with your mouse and then using your mouse, right-click and select Copy. After this step, you must return to your pretest assessment in your course. After returning to your pre- or post-test assessment in your course, scroll down on the page and you'll find a text box labeled Your Answer. Here is where you will paste your USA Test Prep results. The American High School website will not allow you to right-click and paste using your mouse. To paste the information, use the shortcut keys located on your keyboard. If you have a Microsoft Windows PC, paste using the keys Control and the letter V as in Victor. If you have a Mac computer, paste using the keys Command and the letter V as in Victor. Once you have pasted your results, scroll down and select the Submit button. Once you submit the assessment to your teacher, you can then continue on in your course. Thank you for watching this video on how to access and complete USA Test Prep.